The Guess Thus series of games comes with a whole range of pre-made boards. Shapes, angles, indices, clocks, percentages, plenty more. But we've included the blank in your pack so that you can create whatever you like, whether that be shapes, percentages, decimals, or even letters. These boards are right on wipe off, so you can play thousands and thousands of times. Today we are going to play with a different game. Today we'll use the 1 to 20 board. For that you'll need obviously the 1 to 20 board, the Think Square overlay, and a bunch of blue transparent tiles, yellow transparent tiles, a pen and paper for recording your questions, and 2 opaque tiles to write your secret numbers on. Players start the game by writing their secret number on the square and placing it down over the question mark. Make sure you don't use one of these transparent tiles because it might be too easy for your opponent to see. If you write a number like this, to save people from cheating, you can put an underline there to show my secret number. Don't tell anyone. The blue opponent's chosen their secret number as well, and that goes down over their question mark. The game begins with the first player asking the other player a question to try to narrow down what their number is. So for example, if I was the red team, I might ask blue, "Is your number even?" To which blue would respond, "No." All the questions asked have to be yes/no questions, but now that I know that it's not an even number, I can cover over all the even numbers. Now it's blue's turn to ask a question. However, they cannot ask the same type of question that I've just asked. So I asked an even/odd question, which means they can't use the words even or odd. They might have to ask it creatively, like, does your number have a factor of 2, or is it divisible by 2? And if I don't know the words factor or divisible, they would have to explain to me what it is so I can answer their question yes or no. So I would answer their question, yes, it is divisible by 2. And so they would cover all the odd numbers to show that it's an even number, even though they haven't asked a question that has even and odd in it. So all these questions you've got to get creative with, because as the game goes on and you're allowed to ask less and less questions, you'll need to be more fancy about how you ask them or think of different ways for asking. The aim of the game is to be the first player to guess your opponent's number by covering over all of the other options.